Hi, I'm Marelle Couture and I'm here with Veri Lumessa, and we're going to make these adorable little pinecone ornaments. They're actually going to turn into mushrooms. Super cute, super fun to make. Alright, get yourself some brushes you don't care about. That's the first tip. And there's no easy way to do it. You just get it in there. You might have to do 2 coats to really cover it.
Probably.
Yeah, I definitely say 2 coats on these to really cover them good.
Yeah. Alright.
Don't throw the pine cones. Not recommended.
Yeah.
You gotta let it dry for a while, because when pine cones get wet, they close up. So you gotta let them dry completely, so then they'll open back up. And you can't put on the little bottoms until they're all completely dry. Okay. So you can do the spots 2 different ways. You can do paint on, or get some paint markers. Okay, the key is, don't paint the spots on these little, whatever, leaves or whatever. You're going to make the spot big, so it's going to have to go on several of them. That's how you make it look like a mushroom. It's not going to be perfect. It's just not possible to make a perfect circle like this. Okay, so it's just got to kind of look like a dot. Alright? And it's going to be bumpy, but just figure it out. However you can do it, do it. If it looks messy, it's probably going to look fantastic. Okay, so we got nice little spots. Pine cones are not easy to paint on, right?
No, they're not.
It's far from a smooth canvas.
No, it's rage-inducing, honestly.
And next is clay. Yay! And you can use Crayola molding magic, or modeling magic, it's called. That's what this is. And it's nice and safe for kiddies. And, I mean, these are super cute. Okay. And it has a little ladybug on there. And you put 1 or 2 little mushrooms on there. And, yeah, hangs up real nice. And we use this Mod Podge hardener because it makes it nice and hard. Otherwise, paper plate will break.
Sure.
And this makes it so they're going to last for a long time. Now, to make the little ladybugs, you can make as many as you want. Obviously, it's your pinecone mushroom. I have 2 drying up here. But then you just roll it like a little ball. Just pinch it a little, and then flatten it. So it's like the shape of an egg, and you just give it a flat bottom. So you can make a ball. Okay. You're just going to push it on there, real careful. And you're going to push the edges down. Just going to shove it in there. And it'll stick when it dries. If for some reason it doesn't stick because it's some kind of paint you use, then when it's all dry, just shove some glue in there, a little craft glue or something. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, now squish the middle and push this bottom down flat. Make your little mushroom bottom. Yeah. I usually use like a wire or whatever to move your nail. And you want to just do little lines. This mushroom has lines. You don't have to make a lot. You don't have to do a whole bunch. Take a little one, and you're just going to take your pinky, and you're going to stick it on your pinky like a hat. It's your mushroom. Okay? And you just take the mushroom, stick it to the side. And don't fuss with it. That's it. And a tiny, tiny bit for the tiny mushroom stem. Just gonna roll over it. There's your stem. Just pop it in there. So then it's like that. Doesn't matter if it's thick or thin. They all grow different. There's so many funky fungi. You know. It's nice. Yeah. Now here's the thing. These have to dry for like days. I'm not even kidding. I don't know, maybe put them away and then go back to next weekend or whatever. But they have to dry for a while. I also recommend putting them like upside down in jars or egg cartons or something so that they can dry without being disturbed. Luckily we have two that are dry and they're nice and hard to touch. Use any colors you want, honestly. The good thing though is like the next weekend you don't have much to do and they'll be done. They probably will dry in like 3 days, but you know, depending on the size too. You might have to do 2 coats on the dots. It's up to you. I think it's up to your paint too. I don't know.
Sure.
And little ducks and a tiny mushroom. That's a seriously cute little gift. So everything's nice and dry. So we're gonna do this here Mod Podge hardener. It's a hard coat and it actually harden up the clay. You can't shake it. I don't know why. It just says you can't shake it. So I'm just gonna give it a stir. Okay. So you just need a coat of it on the clay part. If it gets on the pine cone, well, that's okay. And then you just let this dry, and then you can take some string, some ribbon, and you just either glue gun it, or you can use a craft glue gun if the kids want to do it. And then, oh, here you are. And when you put the little string on, you want to put on your little ladybug too. I guess I just put a little black on it. Actually, I have black here. I don't know if you'll ever see it, but they're little teeny ladybugs. They're super cute. I'm gonna just borrow a little bit of that Mod Podge. See if that'll stick it on now. Maybe not. Let's see. Super cute. And let them dry. And hang them on your tree. And they'll last for a long, long time. This here, Little Modeling Magic, makes all kinds of cool stuff. New Jersey tomato. These are some of the things I made this year for our tree. Yeah, little doggy's cute. I put a little angel inside a walnut. Yep, and a ducky. And 2 little gnomes. And I like her a lot. She's awesome. Yeah. And see, when you put the hardener on, it's really nice and hard. And it'll just last. Oh yeah, little birdies. And I don't know, like a whale. I don't know. I was having fun. So you have fun and enjoy making them. I hope you have a good time.